If your Wikipedia app crashes, won't update, shows an error, or it simply won't open, then this could be happening because your Wikipedia app might be damaged or corrupt. So follow the steps on this video to learn how to fix your Wikipedia app in a quick and easy way. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Wikipedia. Click on the three dots to open the Wikipedia options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If the Wikipedia app isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Wikipedia data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Wikipedia is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. This will permanently delete Wikipedia data on this device, including preferences and sign-in details. Press Reset again. If Wikipedia is still not working, you could try to reinstall it. This will uninstall Wikipedia and its settings. Your documents will not be affected. First, press Uninstall. The Wikipedia app and its related data will be uninstalled. Press Uninstall again. Now open your Microsoft Store to download Wikipedia again. Search for Wikipedia. Click on Wikipedia. Press Get. Wait for Wikipedia to be downloaded and installed. Now open Wikipedia. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.